Hi guys, my name is Rajat Barmecha and I just saw my social media account. My Twitter, Facebook, Instagram is full of people writing good things about Sushant Singh Rajput. People saying how industry has lost such a brilliant actor, how he was such an amazing human being, how how my heart aches to see this day or things like that. But my problem here is why now? Why do you say these things now and you never did that when the person was there? Maybe if you'd done it because maybe that was the thing that the person wanted to hear. You didn't give a fuck back then. There was nothing you did because in our industry, in the film industry, we have a thing of every Friday changes the life of an actor, or every Friday decides the fate of an actor. Why? Why do we have to have a fucking Friday to decide the fate of an individual? Why can't we have all the industry people, all the media people who have such brilliant things to say about Sushant right now? Why, like when Drive came, his film came on Netflix and it bombed. It was and people had such awful things to say when an actor starts his career, and if few things they go wrong and people are so quick to pull that person down. It doesn't even take you a minute to say कि अरे career खत्म हो गया, can't do anything. I don't know what made Sushant take such a drastic step. But then, don't you think it could be that 1% there we could be a part of that thing? That somewhere in his head he wasn't happy with the things that was being said about him, like what people said about him when his films didn't work. I've personally having I personally for the past 10 years I've answered this question कि अरे उड़ान के बाद which is the next big film, when is it coming? Why do you have to did any of you, any person ever write to me personally or on my social media and ask me like what is the growth I've had as a person in the past 10 years? Do we ever? Because it's become a fancy word to talk about mental health and we need to be there for each other, but do we actually do that? Mental health has just become a fancy word to talk about, but how many of us genuinely care for that thing? How many of you actually gave a fuck about my personal growth in these 10 years? Forget the movies, like forget if I ever do a film again or I don't. It's because that's just a part of my life. Work is just one side of me. Work was just one side of Sushant. I don't know what made him go through like whatever he went through and take such a drastic step, but you know, it's just that people say so much when a person dies. There's so much said right now. He was a beautiful person. Why the fuck did you not say it when he was there? Why did we always try to pull him down because one Friday fucking decided his fate or had to decide his fate? That's not how it should be. It should not be the work that decides the fate of an individual. Focus more on what the person is actually going through, who the person is for real. See people for people, not for the fucking professions they are in. Just take care of these things the next time you want to talk about an actor or a director or a musician or anyone in that matter. अगर कोई बंदा काम नहीं कर रहा है, किसी के पास पैसा नहीं है, कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम में है, that's not who they are. What's going on inside them, who they are, how strong they are from within, that's what matters. And you know, I personally thank myself and people around me. I've been a super strong individual personally, so it never affected me as much as it could be affecting a lot of people out there. But then don't let a person's work decide कि यार साल में एक मूवी आ गई, and people will always have things to say. If you don't have a film, they'll say अरे काम नहीं है. अगर if you have one film, they'll say अरे the other person is doing 2 films. Never fucking let these things affect you. this is to everyone out there, all the artists, actors, or even if you have a job, never let people decide how you lead your life. Don't let these things affect you. Always please talk to people, be there for one another, and yeah, like don't just say good things when a person dies. Mean it, and say those things and make them believe that you actually care for them. Just be true, man.